Your roots are in heaven. Man is like a tree, but his roots don't grow in the earth. They reach into heaven. In baptism, our roots touched the kingdom of God. And from that moment, grace began to flow within us, like a divine sap, bringing life and peace. But when we turn away from that source, the soul begins to dry. To find true peace of heart, we must nourish ourselves through those roots, letting God's life flow again within us. Remember this, your roots are not of this world. They are already planted in God.